Hey, welcome back everybody. It's been a long week. The stocks some did amazing, some did very poor. And we're going to talk about stock madness right now. But first, two things. First of all, happy Mother's Day to everybody out there that are mothers. And also, if you haven't logged in to win $100 on our video that's labeled as second giveaway, it's the sports talk in the man cave. It's called second giveaway in big green letters. Get in there, try to win $100. Easy money to make. I think we're giving it away next weekend, before we do the next stock madness video. So let's get right into these stocks. Okay, so first of all, we had Shopify going up against Cigna. And this was one that I thought that Cigna was going to take because it had gone down so much the week before. It was down, what was it down last week? It was down 4.81% last week. And so this week, Cigna went up by 3.65%. The new price on that one is $158.41. It did really good, but the Shopify went down just a little bit, 1.89. So Shopify is out, and who had that? FHTB is out, and whoever had Cigna, which is NN, is moving on to the next round, and they are going to be going up against Chevron. Chevron, good company. It was 117.56, went up to 121.99. Good price, so it increased by 3.77% this past week, which is pretty good. Now, if you notice, these numbers don't totally correlate with what you see on the 1 week average on something on Robinhood or anything like that. We're going exactly by the price that we had last Sunday at this time to this Sunday at this time, and so you're going to see variations on that. However, Chevron was going up against NEO, and NEO actually went down by 8.33%, down to 462. So it had a rough week, actually. And so Chevron is strong. I think from those two companies next week, I'm going to predict that I think Chevron's going to take it again, barely. So I actually have Chevron. So I may be moving on to the next round. But let's go on to the last four. We had Tesla going up against Kinder Morgan. Kinder Morgan is a company I looked at. It's a midstream oil company, so it kind of delivers oil and gas to different places. It does have a little bit of a dividend as well, which is pretty interesting. In addition to that, it seems like it's a good stock to have. I don't know, it doesn't really interest me that much to invest into it, although I know it's a big company, it's a good company, and it's probably going to continue to do pretty well. The price is nice, actually, at $19.70, and so I think I'll keep on looking into that company a little bit more to see if it's something that I want to invest into or not. It depends. I don't know if I want to do a lot of oil and gas anymore. And I know in the future I think things are kind of moving away from that. For now, they're going to be strong companies, but who knows 10, 20 years from now how that's going to be. Anyway, so Kinder Morgan actually did not go up anything, 0% increase, still $19.70. However, Tesla lost money. So it went down by 6.24% to $239.10. And so Kinder Morgan moves on. Kinder Morgan goes on. And so we're down to the last competition here, which is AABA going up against ODP. And who has AABA? Ooh, Ornedo does that. Ornedo has AABA, and going up against Office Depot, which is ASMR, which I've seen a lot of your videos as well. Thank you very much for all your posts and comments that you do. I appreciate that. And Office Depot lost. Now, they lost 11.8%, although AABA, which is Altaba, didn't do much better. It lost 9.2%. So those two were the lowest companies this week, which seems, if the trend follows, they might be the best companies next week. it just seems to go in that way. You know, you lose a lot of money, they make it right back again. So I think we're seeing trends with these companies, which is a good thing, which is what we want to learn from these companies, and follow these trends as we compete against each other, but we also see what's going on with them. So I think that's pretty good. So from those two companies, I predict that Altaba may move on. Let's do that. And so then it'll be Ornedo against me, hopefully, or not. Maybe Cigna and Kinder Morgan take it. So we'll see, man. It's going to be interesting next week. We will try to get some videos up. I know we got some videos up on PTN, and we got one on Ritter. There could be a few other ones that I wanted to talk to about on the biotech industry that we might be talking about soon. However, for now, I wanted to get this video out because it is Sunday and it is time for the competition, and we're moving on. Good luck to everybody that's still competing against us, and we'll see. Hopefully when we do this again, it will have 16 players at least, and then we'll be a little bit more in depth, and then we'll get Carlos and Chale involved in this as well, so that they can discuss some of the stocks that are in this as well, which will be fun. All right, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to log in to get your $100. Hopefully you can win $100. It's easy money. There's not too many people right now competing, so by next week you're going to have a very good chance of winning some money if you log in and try to get that $100. And happy Mother's Day again. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys very soon. Take care, guys.